Are you looking for an easy way to onboard new users and boost engagement? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are diving into Appcues, the powerful user onboarding software that helps you create smooth, no-code onboarding flows, tooltips, and in-app messages without needing a developer. Whether you're launching a new product, guiding first-time users, or improving user retention, Appcues makes it simple and effective. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to visit the official website, which is going to be appcues.com. Again, you have two options. On the top right corner, you can log in using your credentials or click the Start Free button. That would give you a chance and an opportunity for you to create a free account and of course explore the Appcues platform. You can use a work or business email, or you can use a Google email to make the account creation process simpler. And from here, all I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions, and once you have successfully created your account, you will be forwarded to the main page. All right. From here, once you will notice that the Appcues is very simple, intuitive user onboarding software that will help you and your business create in-app experiences like walkthroughs, tooltips, models, and announcement, of course, without requiring coding. So now Appcues provides different sections to help you create and manage user onboarding and engagement experiences. Number one option is going to be the content. All right. From here, if you click on it, you will be forwarded to create a flow. Flows are very flexible experiences that can help you guide your customers through onboarding, announce new features, and more. It's kind of really a straightforward process because all I have to do is click this button right here or click the Create a Flow button on the top right corner. And for the flow name, for example, we're going to be using these. Then you can build your URL. Enter the URL that you want. For example, this is going to be our channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to get notifications on our latest content. You can use a template that suits your preferences, like welcome to the family, webinar promotion, or new feature release. We're going to be using the webinar promotion. You can opt in for the tags like announcement, feature tools, new user onboarding, but we're going to click the feature tutorials. All right. Must be a valid URL. And then click the create button. So I'm going to skip that because what I want you to focus after the flow is the performance metrics, wherein you can have an analytics for these. All right. You can have the performance overview, flow performance, and a lot more, and even the individual flow performance. I'm going to go again to the homepage. All right. Because we're going to deal with the pins. So this is going to be a persistent tooltips that stays attached to the specific UI elements. Again, similarly to the flow, you can create one. You can create a pin right here to highlight important features. Again, all I have to do is provide the pin name, build URL, and of course the theme. You can use Appcues light or dark, and of course you can use the tags as well. We're gonna go again to the homepage because we can dive into the checklist. So here you can guide users through a series of steps to ensure the key actions to be completed. But the thing is, you need to activate the users and you need to click the upgrade button. All right. Now we're going to skip that because we don't have the capacity to upgrade. If you want to scale up, you might want to do that later on, but we're going to deal with the NPS surveys. Now, the NPS surveys measure user satisfaction by asking how likely they are to recommend your product. For example, it's an analytic that you can create by clicking on this section right here. You can use your primary theme color, right? So you're not limited with the option. You can be creative. For now, you can select the dark theme or the light theme, depending on, of course, on your preference. We're going to select the dark theme, click the next content, And you have two options here. You can use the NPS survey question, like 1 out of 10, or the NPS feedback question. Now, if you want to edit the first section, all right, I'm gonna edit the second question, because what I'm going to do is type in this questions instead. Right? Click the next audience, and you have all of these options for you. You can edit these sections to suit your preferences. All right. Well, we're gonna just put the default option for now. Click the next summary, and again, you have all these options, which are all highly customizable at this point. You can test it out if you want. Wait for it to load. Takes a little while. Right? Then, once you've tested that out, click the publish. But again, in order to publish live experiences to your users, you have to install Appcues directly into your code base. If you don't know how it is, just skip it for now. We're gonna go back to the home page. All right. Now, these are gonna be some of the sections right here where you can analyze performance, because Appcues gives you all these analytics to measure success. You can identify drop points for better engagement. You have the audiences where you can segment a list for the users and the accounts. And again, the metrics are going to be a handy tool for you to check your goals. For example, if you click that, you can create your first goal if you want. And again, just enter the goal name, definition, for example, is it going to be a flow, event, or language, or you have all these automation to make the repetitive tasks easier. All right. Again, you have the 14 days free trial, and if you want to scale up, all you have to do is click the upgrade button. You will be forwarded to this subscription. Now, the startup is ideal for very small teams, which is $250 per month, all right, for one app paid annually. If you want to grow, you might want to go with the $1,000 per month. And for the enterprise, I highly suggest you contact the sales so that they can give you a tailored fit solution for your company's needs, budget, and of course your goal, because you can select from any of these, and that will depend on the price. All right. And again, if you want to view the full feature comparison, you're welcome to do that by clicking that button, and you're gonna be having all these information that I need you to understand and read. All right. You can start for free. You can cancel anytime. Just talk to the customer support service. You can also take a 2-minute tour of the Appcues, or you can schedule a demo if you want, or you can try it for yourself. It's kind of really easy. Click the start tool, click the next button right here. Basically, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.